Healthy living. In a world where new issues arise every day, how can we maintain and enrich our health and that of our loved ones? For maximizing everyone's life experience and for contributing to the betterment of society, Fujitsu Healthy Living is focusing on these 4 themes. Self-reliant. Making a shift to a lifestyle where people manage their own health with a focus on prevention mindset. Seamless. Healthcare services are seamlessly integrated into everyday life, and health of each person is monitored properly. Enhance. With the evolution of medicine and drug discovery, life science is becoming a part of everyday life and is allowing people to make healthcare decisions tailored to their way of life. Ignite. Regardless of age or disability, everyone can actively participate in society and lead a healthy life. Based on these 4 themes, Fujitsu is harnessing the power of data and technology to make well-being a reality for all. Together, we can transform lives.